guys, good morning. How are you? So yeah, just now I got up and today is Saturday, so I was just sitting, so I thought I will make some video. So I will make some product review video which I had ordered from Nykaa. So yesterday only I got it, so I thought I will blog for all those things. So yeah, so let's get started. So yeah, today the first thing which I got from Nykaa, that is Lotus Herbal Shea Moist Shea Butter and Real Strawberry 24 hours moisturizer, that is for dry to normal skin both, and they are saying it is 24 hours hydration also, so which is I will tell it is actually true. I don't know about 24 hours, but yeah, it was like around 8 to 9 hours. Yeah, more than 9 hours it was there, because yesterday I had used it, and till after coming back also I was not feeling the dryness on my skin, because near of my nose the dryness will be coming, so that I didn't feel it. So yeah, this is the moisturizer, and it was actually 175, and I got it in how much I got it. The Lotus I got it in 158, which is actually a good deal. And yeah, obviously the Nykaa nowadays so many offer are going on, so if you also want, you can just go and check out. So second thing is what I got is Maybelline nail paint, the gold nail paint. That is actually is good, and they are not writing the shade. I am not seeing the shade. I think this one 1205L. Yeah, this is the shade, and this is good looking, and I didn't use this color from Maybelline. First time I am using it, so I'll just see how it is. Yeah, it's good. It's very nice. You can see this nice color, so yeah, I liked it, and that was actually 110, and I got it in some 95 or something. Yeah, 94, so that is also a good deal. And another thing what I got is Maybelline lip balm. So I had used so many Maybelline lip balm, but this one I am using the first time. It is pink color, and the smell is also very good. The strawberry smell is coming, and the pinkish color will be there. I will show you in my hand how it is. Let's see this. It's very nice color, and the smell, I'm loving it, seriously. Yeah, so another thing I got, that is from Maybelline again, that is Maybelline mascara. I had used another ones, but this one I am using the first time, that Magnum Barbie mascara, and we'll see how it is. This you can see the brush. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice actually. So this one I got it, the Maybelline mascara. It was 399, and I got it in 319. And yeah, lip balm also I didn't tell you the price array. So it was actually 185, and I got it in 148. That is also a good thing. Another one more nail paint I got it, which I am loving it nowadays. That is from Nykaa. Nykaa, so many nail paint I am having. So this is the new one, which is the black matte, and it's actually very good looking. And the nail paint box, I just love it from Nykaa. So this is actually nice color. It is nice black color, or the good quality is from Nykaa nail paint. Once you will feel, if you want the matte, if you like the matte nail paint, that is actually the good option. And they are having very new unique color. If you go to Nykaa and check the nail paints, they are having very unique colors which you will not find out in others, I think. See, this is the nail paint. So once it get dry, you see how it looks. So that was actually 199. I got it in 199 only. That is also a good thing. Yeah, so another thing I had ordered, that is Nivea fresh deodorant, and that is fresh, natural fresh feeling. So this is first time I'm using. I had used earlier the whitening one, the Nivea whitening one, and I had liked it, but it was not that much good, it was not that much effective for me. But yeah, this one is very nice. And this one was actually the Nivea, it was actually 185 and I got it in 167. Okay, so another thing I had ordered, that is nourishing coconut milk shampoo. This is actually a very good shampoo. This is the first time I'm using, and one thing I will tell you that Nykaa is a very good thing. If you go to some shops, cosmetic shops, sometimes you will not find the smaller size, and if you want to try something, you need the smaller size. So yeah, then this thing in Nykaa is very good. And this shampoo, yesterday I had used it, and it was actually very nice, and very nice smell was coming, and it was like coconut smell will be there, and it was not hard shampoo. I was not feeling the hard and dryness in my hair, and the frizziness also went. So yeah, it is very nice shampoo. Yeah, so these are all the things I had ordered, and one thing I got free from Nykaa, that is Lakme Sun Expert Fairness Plus UV Lotion, that is SPF 50. So they had sent the sample product for me, and it is actually, I don't know how it will be. I need to try it out. I didn't try, and I will tell you how it will be. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys got all the products review well, and yeah, if you got it well, please let me know in comments, and please like it. So I will one more thing, I will just add all this products links from Nykaa in my description. If you want to check it out, all these links, you can just go to the Nykaa app, click on the link, go to the Nykaa app and check it out. You can see the reviews also. So based on reviews also, you can just find how it is good or bad something. So yeah, that's it. Today the review product is done. I will meet you guys again soon. I thought I will do food blog today, but let's see how it is going, today or tomorrow. Yeah, today or tomorrow I will do it, and keep posting, you guys. Bye bye, have fun, happy weekend.